10 bad habits that will make you fat. We all know that maintaining a healthy weight is important for our overall health and well-being. However, there are certain bad habits that can make it difficult to maintain a healthy weight and can lead to weight gain. One of the most common bad habits is eating too much processed food. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar, and can lead to overeating. Another bad habit that can make you fat is skipping meals. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism, leading to overeating and weight gain. Eating late at night is another bad habit that can lead to weight gain. It can interfere with your sleep, disrupt your metabolism, and cause you to gain weight. Drinking sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened tea and coffee are high in calories and can lead to weight gain. Snacking too often can also lead to overeating and weight gain, especially if you choose high-calorie snacks like chips and cookies. Eating too quickly is another bad habit that can lead to overeating. When you eat too quickly, your brain doesn't have enough time to register that you're full, causing you to eat more than you need to. Not drinking enough water can also make you gain weight. When you're dehydrated, you may mistake thirst for hunger, causing you to eat more than you need to. Eating while distracted is another bad habit that can lead to overeating. When you're not fully aware of how much you're consuming, you're more likely to eat more than you need to. Skipping exercise is another bad habit that can make you gain weight, even if you're eating a healthy diet. Regular exercise helps boost your metabolism and burn calories, helping you maintain a healthy weight. Finally, eating too much junk food is another bad habit that can make you gain weight. Junk food like chips, cookies, and candy are high in calories and low in nutrients, and can lead to overeating if consumed in excess. By breaking these bad habits and adopting healthier habits like regular exercise and drinking water, you can maintain a healthy weight and improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.